Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. I am 2 days late on this drawing. This is the giveaway drawing for the right angle tool, the one that Darlene sent extra. I had purchased this one from her because I love the color and it matches my pencils that have my name on them. See? Genevieve Designs. I don't know if it's going to focus. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. There we go. So it matches my pencil, so I ordered it. She had made a custom color, this dark one that she sent me. So I think I have 3 or 4 of her tools now. But anyway, so she sent me an extra one of these purple ones, and that was for me to give away to you guys. So how to enter to win? You had to the covers video, this covers video. When we made these covers, you had to leave a comment under that video and just say something about the tool. That was the only requirement other than be a subscriber to my channel. So anyway, I'm a couple days late and I do apologize. Also, I mentioned a few videos back that I've changed the lighting in here, and I'm also working on some camera settings. I changed some camera settings today. What do you think? Does it look better? Does it look better? Let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know. So anyway, so I have pulled in the URL to that video on the YouTube comment picker. I've pulled in the comments, and I'm going to pick a winner, and then I need to check to make sure that you are a subscriber to my channel, and then we'll go from there. So the winner will have 7 days to contact me via a special email that I have linked down below. And all that information will be down below, like what day you need to contact me by in order to claim your winnings. Okay? And I do want to say, just really quickly, if you're a winner and you live in a place that is going to cost me $40 or $50 to ship this to you, we're going to have to work something else out. So, also, before I forget, there is, if you live in Canada and Australia, Darlene has a few, let me see, how does she put it? She has a couple stores in Australia and Canada that buy them in bulk and resell them to save you money on shipping. So you just contact her if you want to know what those places are, or how to get a hold of those places, or just contact her, period, through her Etsy shop, which I will have linked down below. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to hit start and we'll go from there. Okay, I have to pick another winner. Renee Moore. It says, love these covers. Also excited for the purple tool. Me too. Okay, I have checked, and Renee Moore is a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Congratulations, Renee. All you need to do is contact me down below in the drop down menu. There is a show more section, or just an arrow, however I don't know what device you're using to access the drop down menu, the description box, but there is a email down there, and that is the only communications that I take through that email. No other communications through that email. Please just giveaway winners. So contact me via that email and we will get your right angle tool shipped out to you. I might even throw in one of my pencils. So anywho's, congratulations. And alright, you guys, there should be a video even later on today, but I do apologize for being late on this one. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this giveaway, and be sure to look at Darlene's shop if you want to grab your own if you didn't already. And you guys, I will see you next time. Bye.